And next step, I'm going to Python arithmetic operator. Let me give two value. Let me give you z call 3 and y call 17. Okay, let's have these two. And in Python operator we have I can say print, here it is, uh, z plus, right? Actually I have to put y here, and let me have for all the operation here, multiplication, division, it's 1 backslash, and then I have one thing that I have here, that is exponent, I have it, and then I have, this is we don't usually at school they don't teach us, but what they call it module, but I probably have to say module z. Let's see how it's going to be that. Okay, the first one is plus, minus, and then we have multiplication, and we have division, and we have power, z power y, that's big number. And what happened here? We divide 3 by 17 becomes 5, and the remainder. So that is remainder. So this is they call modules, and that is divide. Let me. We divide two numbers, and remainder is going to be put out. And I have floating, so that is the floating of the lowest number that's going to be that. So let we do floating 2, here it is 0, so means that if I divide z by 70, which is not possible the floating, but let me put it y to z, because this nothing is there's z here. Okay, that's 5. So if I divide y, which is 17, by 3, becomes 5. So if this becomes 4, the answer is going to be, here it is, it's going to be 4. So it's 4 by this, that is the floating of two numbers that we are dividing.